the Bay Area. Healthcare workers and Medicaid recipients took part in the Families First protests in San Jose and in Oakland this afternoon.
One Medicaid recipient in the East Bay tells Dahlin she fears the new federal spending bill could devastate critical care services that she and many others rely on.
Healthcare for you and me, guaranteed.
Protesters say health care is a basic human right, and they believe that right is under attack by the Trump administration. The new federal spending bill includes deep cuts to safety net programs like Medicaid and food stamps.
It's terrifying what's going to happen. I'm very worried that the services that I rely on day in, day out are going to get cut.
Julia Feinberg is a longtime Medicaid recipient. She's lived her entire life with a condition called spinal muscular atrophy and uses a wheelchair. Medicaid helps cover her daily personal care.
Without it, I wouldn't be able to survive. The state pays for my personal care attendant. That helps me get out of bed, take a shower, go to the bathroom, go to work.
Julia joined a few hundred healthcare workers at Oakland Snow Park for the Families First protest. Union leaders spoke out against cutting programs for the poor to fund tax breaks for the rich.
The reality is people will die. People will die, families will lose their ability to earn, and people will end up being homeless. People will end up on the streets.
In San Jose, healthcare workers share the same message. They say it's inhumane for the White House to slash Medicaid while boosting funding for ICE raids. A Kaiser Permanente healthcare worker based in Colorado spoke about the wide-reaching impact these cuts could have on patients nationwide.
Kaiser region has about over 1 million people that are going to be affected that are on Medicaid. And so that's going to put a huge impact, of course, on our healthcare community.
Many cities have joined together to file lawsuits against the Trump administration in an effort to stop the cuts.
The city of Oakland has joined in multi-city, multi-jurisdiction lawsuits that fight up against the immigration raids and a number of other policies. So, you know, it's not just symbolic. There's actual actions that we can and will to continue to take to fight back.
While Julia admits the next 3 years may be challenging, she says she's not giving up without a fight. She attends rallies like this one to make sure her voice is heard.
We have to be out here to push the Democrats to find ways to be creative.
Everybody's covered.
A lot of these demonstrators admit change may not come today or even next week, but they believe if more people get off the couch to speak up and vote, then they stand a much better chance of fighting back against Trump policies.